Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine in Safari on your Mac. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Safari web browser. And now, click on the Safari in the top left corner of your screen and then select Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Search tab. And here, you will see an option labeled Search Engine. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and you will find a list of available search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Ecosia, and so on. Select the one you prefer to set it as your default search engine. For example, I'm choosing here Yahoo. And now if I search something on the address bar, it is using Yahoo search engine. And that's all about today's video. You have successfully changed the default search engine in Safari on your Mac. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tutorials. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.